Okay, so here's the program and where it's at right now. It is just right now a demo really for playing with the coins on the computer. So instead of shaking a mobile device, you click a shake button and it'll make a random selection of coins appear. You can click and drag them around, and this will work the same on the mobile device. You just push your finger down on a coin and slide it around to drag it around. On the computer, you right click in order to split a coin apart into smaller coins. Okay, and on the mobile device, I envision using the pinch zoom gesture, where you put two fingers on the screen really close together and then you slide them apart. It's kind of like breaking a coin apart, so I think that gesture will be very natural, to just put the fingers down on a coin and then spread your fingers apart and the coin breaks. I think that'll work really well. Okay, so when you combine coins, sometimes you'll get a dollar bill and sometimes you get a dollar coin. Since they have the same value, you can get either one. You get a $2 bill, 5, 10, and I've got it going up to a $100 bill. I think that might be a bit much for this game, but you know, it's just an extension of the same program, so it's not that much work to add that in. Another important thing to understand is when you break something apart, you're not always going to get the exact same amount. So when you break a dollar apart, you'll usually get two 50-cent pieces, but sometimes it'll break it even farther down. And this is important to make sure that the knowledge of how everything relates to each other is based on the math of the coins rather than just the look or the name of them. You know, 4 quarters is a dollar. You can kind of, okay, 4 of these things that are called a quarter, is this equal to one of these things? You know, you can lose sight of the math, but by actually saying, okay, these 3 different items, when you add their values together, you get a dollar. By having it not always the exact same coins, it really forces the learner to focus on the math of the coins rather than the name or the look of the coin.